To add images of your digital product to your mockups, you're going to open your digital product, select Share, Download, change the file type to JPEG, increase the quality as high as you can, select Download. If your digital product was multiple pages, then it will download as a zip file. You just select the zip file and it will create a folder of all of your images. Open your digital download instruction template included with your purchase. Select Uploads, Upload Files, open the folder that you just downloaded, and select the images that you would like to upload. If you would like to select multiple images at once, you can click the top, scroll down to the bottom, then while holding the Shift key, select the last file and select Open. Once all of your images are uploaded, you will see them on the left side here. And then you can just click and drag them over to these mockups. Just like that. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, feel free to send me a message on Etsy.